Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Today we will be having a look at these racks on top and we'll be taking them off. That's the first change on the new van, and there's three reasons why I don't like racks on top of vans, and there's actually an additional bonus reason, which in this case is the first reason. With those racks on, the van doesn't fit in the shed. I tried putting it in the shed and it misses out by about that much. It won't actually go in. So for me to be able to put the van inside the shed, I have to take the racks off. But there's three other reasons why I don't like racks as well. Now the first reason I don't like these is because they are noisy. You drive along on the motorway at 110 k's an hour, and geez, they do make a racket. You really do know you've got them on there. So that is the number one reason I don't like racks on top of vans. The second reason I don't like racks on top of vans is because of the extra fuel consumption. If you're like me and you're doing a lot of highway driving, these really do burn up the fuel. You'll be using an extra 1 or 2 litres per 100 k's at the very least, if not more than that. So if it's, just 2 litres at 100 k's, you're looking at about $4 extra every time you drive 100 k's just to have those racks up there. Not worth it to me, especially since I don't really use them. And the third reason I don't like racks on vans, or any other car for that matter, is because they cause damage to your guttering, especially if you leave them on there all the time. I'm glad this guy put some plastic protectors on there, and hopefully there'll be no damage under there from these racks that have been on there for years. So I can't wait to get these off and free up some fuel economy and also prevent any potential damage to the car. If I ever want to carry stuff on top, I can always put them back on, which I'm not throwing them away, I'm just putting them aside. They don't need to be on there. I don't really use racks, and in the rare occasion that I will use them, I can always put them back on. There you go, have a look at that. Much, much better. And it should just fit into the shed now. But just to show you what the problem is, have a look at that. That's damage caused by the racks that I'm going to have to repair. And more there. A little bit there. And not too bad at the back here. Okay, that just needs to be cleaned. But you can see damage there. You can see damage there. And have a look at that. You can see damage there. Even with all the protective stuff that the guy had put on there, it has caused some damage that I'm going to have to fix up. So I'm going to be touching all that paintwork up. And I've decided that those racks will never be going back on. I'm getting rid of them, they're gone. After seeing the damage caused, I don't want them. I don't want to put them back on. If I need to transport something, I'll find another way to do it. If it doesn't fit in the van, I'll put a trailer on it. That's why I've got trailers. I won't be using the racks ever again. So this van will never have racks on it in the whole time that I will own it. Now if you enjoyed this video and found it interesting or useful at all, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the van, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.